Ina mina dika, dai Dominica, maka naka naka, dika bika rika. Ina mina rika dika de dai Dominica, maka naka dika bika rola rika. Ram pam pot, ram pam pot. दिल बेचूं है कोई लेने वाला, ऐसे वैसे को नहीं देने वाला। सूरतिया हंसी हो, उमरिया जवां हो, कोई भी उसे देखे तो बस ये गुमा हो। यही है, यही है, यही तो है वो। इना मीना डिका, डाई डमनिका, मगा नगा नगा।
India. The volume of population has eventually increased the volume of road vehicles too, and thus wastage of fuel, air pollution, noise pollution, and various other issues that hold the negative impact of the change. It just takes 2 to 3.5 seconds for a vehicle to start. Perhaps we still find majority of vehicles idly on for the whole of 60 seconds even when the signal says red. Carbon monoxide, which is chemically known as CO, is emitted from the exhaust of the engine, is then accumulated in the atmosphere, and thus it becomes a cause for the degradation of the quality of air, and also it becomes a major reason for the depletion of the ozone layer of our Mother Earth. Now here is a college student who prefers to go to his college in his own private car. He drives a diesel engine with his air conditioner switched to max. His college is well in the heart of the city. Perhaps he stays in the outskirts of the city. On every working day of his college, he travels 25 kilometers all the way alone, starting from his home till his college. even though he very well knows that he would save fuel and money both simultaneously by using a public transport, he still ignores.
Ice, meet, my future dark. Why this very day? Why this very day? Mama, no set.
If money is of value, environment is of worth. If environment is of value, even money is of value. Last but not least, save the environment. The environment will save you.